Let's make air fried chicken 65 and its curry. Let's start by the marination. For chicken marination we need a big bowl, and for the gravy we need small bowl. In the bowls add curd, ginger garlic paste, red chilli powder, haldi, salt, black pepper, chaat masala, Schezwan sauce and tomato sauce. Kitchen King masala and Majestic fry masala, which already has orange color in it, so you do not need to add extra color. Corn flour, Maida. Mix all the ingredients together and put the washed chicken in it. Add some lemon and mix properly. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Then add some more chas or curd for curry marination. Set the chicken in air fryer on 185 degrees for 30 minutes. You can see the texture of the chicken, it's amazing and the fragrance is wow. By the time in the pan, take oil, butter, chopped garlic, onion, ginger garlic paste, salt, red chilli powder, saute properly and put the marination in it. Remaining entire marination we can use for this curry. Add black pepper, kasuri methi, some water, fresh cream, and our gravy is ready. Put half amount of air fried chicken for the curry and let it rest for 5 minutes. For chicken 65 we need oil, garlic, spring garlic, tomato sauce, saute properly and pour the chicken in it. Mix it for just 1 or 2 minutes and serve hot.